Hello, guys. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Blessing Bubbly. Today, I'm in a bamboo farmhouse and got some fantastic idea to click some picture. Let me tell you how. First, place your phone upside down and click some wow photos with your favorite pose. Before seeing my pictures, just look at this wow place. Now, enjoy the beauty of nature. See what my friends are doing here. Here, everyone, literally everyone, is busy in clicking pictures. And what about me? Have a glance of it. And now, the result time. See my photos. These photos got clicked by keeping the phone upside down. And some more pictures. And some pictures while showing my nail art. Some group photos. And some pictures of nature. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.